You know, you know how I'll saw LK Metro. I did a little walk round during the day, and I went back at night to show you the difference, the transition. Walking Street, I did a day and night transition. Went through during the day, showed you the go-go bowls, and then come back in the evening and of a night and done them again to show you the difference. Well, this one I'm not sure I can wait. We're off Walking Street, and have a look at this. I ain't waiting till tonight. Not when I'm here. Now. Let's have a look. Got to have a look. Well, at the moment, like most BJs, it's looking a bit of a letdown. But mate, maybe it's just SOI BJ of a night. Well, there's something. There's something a little bit interesting. We have actually found something a little bit interesting. So SOI BJ, just off of Walking Street, has the Royal Hotel. I don't know if the King knows about that, but here. It's a short-time hotel. Short-time rooms here. Short-time room, 300 baht. And short-time, another hotel here, Pattaya Inn Hotel. Short-time, 300 baht VIP room. I don't know what you think what you get in that. Right, short-time hotel rooms. Short-time rooms. Oh, you take the girl out, you don't want to take her back to your hotel or your apartment or to the missus. And there's hotels here that do short time rooms. Bit of a come and go. And normally about an hour, maybe 2 hours. You can go in with your girl, book a room, 300 baht, and have your sort out, and you're done. And you ain't got to clean up after. Well, you might. But I mean, that's handy to know they're there. But as SOI BJ, a little bit of a letdown. I'm pleased I never waited till tonight. I'd have been excited all day. It would have been worse. I'd have been so upset. Anyway, hope that helped you. See you soon.